welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a vlog dump. There were days on which I shot, but they never came together as a whole proper vlog. So I decided to combine snippets of my days in a vlog dump, and there's a lot happening in this video. Also stay till the end to get an update, and I hope you enjoy this kind of a format. So without any further ado, let's get started. The whole Hi, I have everybody with me right here, and tomorrow is 22nd September. Tomorrow is 22nd September. It's Adi's birthday tomorrow, and we have convinced him fully that we're not doing anything for him, but
he has forced us to go and decorate a room for him.
But we are always
step ahead.
We were doing it anyway. So we are doing a car decoration for him. Everything is nice and ready. We have already bought the cake, and let's go. We are on our way to decorate the car trunk, and there's nobody in the park right now. That is why our masks are off. But it's already 11 p.m. Gaur Didi has gone, and she has all the decorating supplies. So we don't know how we'll be managing all of this, but let's hope for the best.
I told you never go on the road. I got what you waiting for. Trust in me, letting go. Feel the sound, giving up. I'm falling down, climbing up. Wait for me, getting there. Trust in me, letting go. Feel the sound.
Eating the leftover cakes and
waiting
and a surprise successful. Now we are going for a ride. Who is driving? Yeah, Nehu, enthusiasm. Yeah. Also, room transformation is still on the way. You can see something new behind me, and it's been taking so long for me to put my room together, so the video will come out pretty late. But previous two clips you saw was one we were surprising Adi at midnight, and then the next thing you saw was we at Josie's, which is like a coffee house nearby, and we went there after Adi's birthday celebration. I did not vlog in detail the past 2 days because I was really busy enjoying, and I really forgot to vlog. Right now I'm going with my father to get a pair of joggers because I'm leaving for a trip tomorrow, and I'm going to quickly go and get a pair of joggers because I realized I don't have a pair of good joggers. So I need to go get that, and then I'm going to pack for the trip, and you're going to pack with me. So my father is waiting. Let's go. I'm in the trial room and so many options to try from. So let's get started. I am back home and I've started packing. So I was just sorting out all of my outfits, and let me show you what all I've got. So this is outfit number 1, jeans, black crop top, and this check shirt, which is my brother's and I'm stealing from him. He doesn't know. This is what I'm going to be wearing tomorrow, which is Friday. So I'm going to be wearing this oversized black tee with these joggers that I just bought. And this is my last outfit. This is a white crop top which has a donut and a coffee, and it says we belong together. So cute. And white high-waisted jeans. So that is all. I'm just gonna fold them nicely and put them in the bag, and all my essentials are gonna go here in this small bag. So let's get packing. Move on to this thing and fill it with all the things that I need to carry. I am done with packing. It's lunchtime and I'm all ready because I'm leaving for lunch with my friends, and I'm getting late so I cannot talk. So let's go.
I'm in your thoughts, and all you want is to lay down with me. I will be the one, 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 I will be the one for you.
So the update that I wanted to give you is that I might take a break from YouTube, not a complete break, but like a partial break. I will be posting occasional videos whenever I can. I will try to, but because my pre-boards and boards are fast approaching, I want to focus on them, and once they are over I will get back on YouTube completely. So I will be partially absent from YouTube, and I hope you can understand this. So please don't unsubscribe from my channel, and also thank you so much for such a crazy response on my last vlog. If you haven't checked it out, then make sure to check it out. And that is what I wanted to tell you. I hope you're enjoying my videos and you enjoyed this one as well, and if you did, then make sure to please subscribe and like and share, and I will see you next time. Bye.
I'm like, oh shit, I've been